Good morning, students. We are doing the second chapter of grammar, models. Models, various concepts and notions. Ability. Now, when we talk of the ability of the person, the capacity of the person, we use can and could. With permission and necessity, we are to use models may, can, need, must, would. Request and offers, we have to use the models could, would, may, might. With obligation and compulsion, we are going to use must, ought, have to, should, shall. The models that we use with permission and necessity. May I come in, sir? Now, most of you make this mistake. Can I come in? Can says the ability. May is for permission. May I come in, sir? May, model, I, subject, first person singular, come, principal verb. Can I go out and play? That is in a very ordinary conversation. Would you mind my staying here? So, permission. Must, I must go now. Necessity. You must take part in the competition. That is necessity. Need, you need not pay the bills. That is absence of necessity. Request and offer. The expressions that can be used, the models that can be used are would, could, may, might. Would you pass the salt, please? This is a request, a very polite request. I would like to see the principal. Again, a polite request. Could I have your book for a few minutes? Again, a request. Could you tell me the time, please? Request. May I have the salt, please? Informal request. Might I use your phone? Request with hesitation. Obligation and compulsion can be expressed to models ought to, must, should, have to, shall. Ought to. You ought to obey your parents. That is obligation. I ought to phone my parents tonight. That is, but probably won't have time. That is obligation. Must. You must do as you are told. That is the sense of duty. Soldiers must obey the orders of their officers. That is again an obligation. Should. We should be loyal to our country. You should not be late. Have to. Have we to answer all questions? Compulsion. Members shall pay their fees by 10th of every month. Compulsion. You shall come to school at 10. That is compulsion. The models that we use to express ability are can and could. Some examples are, can you lift this box? So it talks of physical power. Can is a model, you is a subject, and lift is a main verb. He can speak English. That is his ability to speak in a language. Can, model, speak, principal verb, he, third person singular. Students, yesterday I told you with models does not change with the number of a person. So he is third person singular. So can will remain can, it will not become cans. Third example, he can swim. That shows the skill of the person. I can lend you 500. So that tells the capacity of a person, that how much he can lend. Could. He could swim very well in his youth. That is his past ability. They could win the game last month. So the ability was there for the team to win. The other various moods that the models represents are probability and possibility. And the models that we use in probability and possibility are will, would, may, might, should, must. Determination, will, must, shall, would. When we are talking in terms of repeated past habits and actions, we use used to, would. And when we wish or desire, the models used are may, will, would. The models which express wish are may, will, would. May fortune smile upon you, that is, you're wishing good for somebody. Will, I will visit Taj, that is, your desire to visit a Taj. Would that he were here. So, it is a wish that the person was here. A man cannot always do what he would. So, what person wishes, it's always not possible to be happening. Then the models that expressed the past habits, that is used to and would. Gary always used to go for a run before breakfast, that is now this habit is not existing. You didn't use to be so stressed, that is in the present times you are stressed. Now if you notice in this, students, I have used the word used to rather than used to. Why? Because I have used did. Would. My father would always read me stories at night. That is the past habit that used to exist, but now at present it is not there. He would rise early in the morning and go for a walk. Models expressing determination are will, shall, must, would. Will, he will fight to the finish. Will, model, he, third person singular, fight, principal verb. I will go to Mumbai even if it rains. Determination, will, model, I, first person singular, go, principal verb. I won't go back on my promise. That is, I'm determined to fulfill my promise. Shall, they shall defend their honor. Shall, model, they, subject, defend, principal verb. He shall obey me. That is, he will be obliged to obey me. Must, I must have my say in this matter. Would, he would have his own way. That is, he is determined to have his way. Probability, possibility. Will, this will be the book you are looking for. So, probably this is the book you are looking for. Will, model, this, subject, be, principal verb. He will probably come next week. Very clearly understood. Would, she would be about 50 now, I suppose. So, possibility, probability that she is 50 now, 50 years of age. Should, they should be at home now. So, possibility, there should be, should is being used, that the person might be at home. If he started at 8, he should be here by 5. So, possibility has been used in the form of, in the model, should. May, it may rain today. That is possibility. The rains have been good, so we may expect a good harvest. Possibility. Might, he might win the first prize in a lottery. Possibility. Must, you must be hungry after your long walk.